50 plus MCQs about planet Mercury. Our पहला question है which is the smallest planet in our solar system, that is Mercury. What is the average distance of Mercury from the Sun, that is 58 million kilometer. What is the diameter of Mercury, that is 4879 kilometer. What is the composition of Mercury's core, that is iron and silicate rocks. How many moons does Mercury have? Mercury abnormal. What is the surface temperature of Mercury during day, that is 427 degrees centigrade. What is the orbital period of Mercury around the Sun, that is 88 Earth days. What is the rotation period of Mercury on its axis, that is 59 Earth days. What is the surface gravity of Mercury, that is 3.71 meter per second. What is the albedo of Mercury, that is 0.1. How many spacecraft have visited Mercury? 3. What is the closest approach of Mercury to the Sun, that is 46 million kilometer. What is the farthest distance of Mercury from the Sun, that is 70 million kilometer. What is the equatorial radius of Mercury, that is 2440 kilometer. What is the polar radius of Mercury, that is 2370 kilometer. What is the density of Mercury, that is 5427 gram. What is the surface area of Mercury, that is 74.8 million kilometer. What is the value of Mercury, that is 6.082 million kilometer. What is the atmospheric pressure on Mercury, that is 10 Pascal. What is the atmospheric composition of Mercury, that is helium, oxygen and hydrogen. What is the magnetic field strength of Mercury, that is 0.00005 Tesla. What is the rotation velocity of Mercury, that is 0.026 km per second. What is the escape velocity from the Mercury, that is 4.2 km per second. What is the orbital inclination of Mercury, that is 0.01 degrees. What is the longitude of the ascending node of Mercury, that is 282. What is the longitude of the ascending node of Mercury, that is 282.94 degrees. What is the mean solar day on Mercury, that is 176 Earth days. What is the solar irradiance on Mercury, that is 9.892 km per second. What is the surface roughness of Mercury, that is 1.2 km. What is the cratering rate on Mercury, that is 9 to 5 km. What is the largest crater on Mercury, that is Colorus Basin. What is the diameter of Colorus Basin, that is 1550 km. What is the depth of Colorus Basin, that is 4 km. What is the age of Colorus Basin, that is 3.8 million. What is the name of Mercury's largest escarpment, that is Colorus Mountains. What is the height of Colorus Mountains, that is 3 km. What is the length of Colorus Mountains, that is 800 km. What is the name of Mercury's largest valley, that is Colorus Valley. What is the length of Colorus Valley, that is 1000 km. What is the width of Colorus Valley, that is 100 km. What is the depth of Colorus Valley, that is 2 km. What is the name of Mercury's oldest surface feature that has Mercury's crust? What is the age of Mercury's crust that is 4.5 million years? What is the thickness of Mercury's crust that has 100 km? What is the composition of Mercury's crust that is silicate rocks? What is the name of Mercury's largest lava flow that has Mare Coloris? What is the area of Mare Coloris that has 15,000 km? What is the thickness of Mare Coloris that has 10 km? What is the age of Mare Coloris that has 3.5 million years? What is the source of Mercury's magnetic field that is Colorado Dynamo?